provides clear and concise explanation of topics, breaking down complex concepts into more understandable terms. For example, if we ask ChatGPT, please explain photosynthesis, but if we write like this, explain photosynthesis as you explain to a class 5 student or age 5 student, it will provide the answer in a very easy way. Okay, and also if we have some math problem, for example, I ask ChatGPT to find out what is the probability of getting a 2 in a dice throw. ChatGPT will explain it step by step, so it is a great tool for your homework help. Leveraging these capabilities, students can enhance their learning experience and gain a better understanding of their study.